So this is the boat that came in. He was wanting some routine service. Thought that was really weird right there. Hopefully that's from where a cover has been sitting on it, because everything else is so clean. So he said he had started it, dry started it, and he didn't run it long. But anytime you dry start one, the impeller blades stick to the side of the housing and it pulls it apart like it did on that one. And we were very lucky to find all the pieces. If you can't find all the pieces to it, you keep looking, because they don't disappear. So that's the impeller we pulled out of it. Here's a fuel sample. He was wondering about the fuel since it's been sitting, and that looks good. It smells pretty good, but it sounds real good. It's pumping good water. Fuel water separator, change the oil and filter. As far as we know, he's ready to go to the lake. Oh, where that impeller is. See it? Probably not. See that? It's back behind all of that. All of that's come out to get to the impeller. It's on the back side of the engine belt driven. So that was quite a fun event.